In example 4 of today's notes, you're asked to use the diagram of the house enclosed to solve the various problems. This problem asks you to find the real-life width of the garage. When we're talking about the width of the garage, we're talking about simply the distance from left to right. Once again, to solve this problem, we'll need to set up a proportion. A proportion, again, resembles two fractions with an equal sign in the middle. We need to use, firstly, the scale that's involved in this problem. As you can see in the bottom right corner of the illustration of the house, there's the fact that 1 centimeter equals 3 feet. This will need to go on the left side of the proportion. So we'll put 1 on the top and 3 in the bottom. Remembering that 1 was a distance in centimeters and 3 was a distance in feet. So we'll need to continuously put all the centimeter distances on the top and all the feet distances on the bottom. To continue solving this problem, you'll need to once again use your ruler. Take the ruler and measure the distance of the garage from left to right. As you can see by measuring, from left to right, the garage is 5.5 centimeters long. Again, this is a centimeter distance, so we'll need to put this in the top of our proportion. Of course, the distance we actually don't know is the actual feet distance from left to right of the garage, which is where we'll put our question mark. Now, you could solve this problem as we did earlier with cross products, but we don't need to. There's an easier way. Look at the top numbers. They're 1 and 5.5. In terms of multiplication, how would we go from 1 to 5.5? Well, we simply multiply by 5.5. Since it works on the top, it's also going to work on the bottom. So all we have to do is take 3 and multiply it by 5.5. When we take 3 and multiply it by 5.5, we get 16.5, meaning the distance from left to right of the garage, or in other words, the width of the garage, is 16.5 feet.